Okay, let's go check the weather today. So I'm gonna open the weather channel. Okay. It's taking forever to load because I don't even know. Let's just wait here until the loading screen stops. Oh my god. Oh, what's this? Flash for the watch? Tornado watch? Let's go read this. Guys,